Wait, so he backed in this fucking hole?
He must have. But he must have not stopped.
Is his music still playing?
That sucks.
That's actually the craziest shit I've ever. Don't be scared, brother. Oh no, so I gonna get him over there. That's Bro, hey, let me tell you something. I ain't scared of much, but I would not cut across. What no? How can you show me? Balloon's gonna ride. Hey, Rudd.
Typical fucking tow rig. Went that way. I'm trying to figure out if this way is fucking death or not. Cason's trying to figure it out for me.
I ain't about to figure shit out.
No?
I mean, you can hit it, but my ball sack got away. This is looking cool.
Hey, video.
I got you.
In case I die.
I'm coming, Gordon. Hold on, give me a second. Hold this out. My fucking bike's all in the middle of... Get hey!
No, they're in your bike.
Huh?
No.
It's him? Yeah, but I started back. Time back up. Motherfucker full of fucking thorns. I got no power. I didn't live over the sun. One of your spark plugs coming back here. Hey, it sounds like you're running on one cylinder. Yeah. That's all. Got no more. Yeah. Got no more. Hit it again. What the
Yo, that shit deep.
Go hit it again.
My dick got so wet.
Oh, bitch.
Killed like 3 times. And I just fucking...
Yeah.
Wow. I wasn't gonna fucking leave it bang.
Just go right.
Yeah, I already right way. Right's not fun. Left looks fun.
Looks scary.
Yeah, but left's full of thorn bushes. Look at that
It's
shit.
alright, I'm like you. It's in right here.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, spark plug got wet.
I mean, my check engine light was on. It's not on now.
Yeah, I forgot. Let's just go that
Say it again.
Yeah.
The problem is that it was made in Canada by BRP.
What's the name of the brand?
Bombardier Recreational Product.
Can-Am? Question mark? Best motor on the market, I heard.
Standing up. No way. Like the front going to the left. Oh. Oh my god. Your turn, huh?
Hell yeah, bro.
Are you fucking nuts? Yeah. Dude likes climbing on them roofs. Wow, he just got the camera. He's got the shot. He just messed up the shot. Hey, get the wings! Good job, Keegan.
Let me pour this log out the way. I said you let me log out the way. They tried it.
Keegan, what you got right there, Keegan?
That is a log, aka a tree. Hey, Keegan. tree out the way and then hammer down.
You need a shovel?
I can't find the hook. That's why I said pull up.
Over here.
Look, you guys, the wind one thing is tight.
Hold up, Keegan. Oh! 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 Fuck! I caught that on video. There's a tree.
No, keep going.
Cut, cut.
Yeah, you good?
There you go.
Good on that tree.
You good?
Hey, you got me drama sod in that hood. Oh, boy, you already in it. Come on, just go through. Just go through.
Hell yeah. Supposed to be my goddamn cameraman.